I got my Beautylish Lucky Bag a couple of days ago, and I finally got a chance to film. It's late. I hope the lighting is not too weird. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I wanted to get this up. I'm so excited about this one. I lucked out. I feel like I lucked out. And one product in particular is the one that I wanted. So I'm so excited to share it with you. By the way, for those of you that are new here, my name is Lisa. I'm an esthetician, and my channel is all about helping you with your skincare and makeup, really. So let's get into the Beautylish Lucky Bag, because I know that's what you're here for. I've watched so many videos already, and I love watching them. Even after I get my bag, I like to see like what everybody else got, because I love this particular mystery bag because of how different they are. And some people get bags that are close to each other. One thing about me is I can never wait to do the surprise reveal. The second I get the box, I have to open it and I have to see what's in there, because I can't do it. I can't do it. I've been getting them for about, I think, 6 years, and I always save the paper. I'll show it to you afterwards. I'm sure you've seen it by now, but it's really cute. It's really cute. But every single time, it's exactly what I do. I filmed the last two. This is my third one that I'm filming, and the same thing. I can't wait. So I did put everything back in here, though, because this is how it comes in a bundle like this. And just to, I guess, go through the motions of, you know, picking it out of here. But this is how everybody's lucky bag comes. And I'm just going to start pulling things out of here and show you what I got. Now, the first thing is Good Molecules. Everybody always gets a product from Good Molecules because Beautylish, this is their house brand, I believe. And every single box since, I think, a few years ago has had something from Good Molecules. Now, this is a hyaluronic acid serum, and hyaluronic acid is fantastic. I will use this, not a problem. I use other skincare, but I'm always experimenting with different things. This is something that is a staple product that could work in seamlessly with any brand. So I'm going to use it, especially now in the winter with the dryness and stuff. My skin is literally like, it needs like first aid. It's so cold here. So between that and the heat, oh, forget it. All right, so let's see what else do I got in here. Now, some of these things, some people would feel are not very exciting. I did get a product from Verb, and this is a hydrate oil. I gotta say, I got this one. I brought it out from my hair care products. I got this one last year, and I love this stuff. This is the heat protectant, and my hair is kind of like on the coarse side. It really needs a lot of help in the smoothing department. So this has helped a lot. And this is not something that I would have bought myself. I'm more into makeup and skincare. Hair care, I really just take under advisement from my hairdresser, who's also my sister. But, you know, so I always have this skinny on hair care products, but I personally never heard of this brand until Beautylish. I love it. I used this a couple of times already, and it works really well. It is not too heavy, and it doesn't weigh the hair down, and it leaves everything nice and shiny. And this one is also heat protected, so score. And I'm also going to put the value of each, because the box itself is $75. This is the regular size box. I always get the regular size box. I don't know why, but I don't know. One of these days, maybe I'll get the larger $150 box, but this is the $75 box. You are guaranteed to at least get $150 worth of product in the box. So each one, I'll put, you know, I'll flash up the, you know, like how much it's worth. So this is, but I'll even tell you, $6 is for the hyaluronic acid serum, and the Verb is 20 bucks. So this is $20. All right, now, next thing, ooh, all right, this was great. They always put a high-end brush. Sonia G is one of my favorite brushes ever. They are made in Japan and very, very high quality. This brush is $85. And this one is I think this is the Fan Pro L. Let me see. I just had it on the paper. Fundamental fan. That's what it is. So these are natural bristles, but they're so, so soft. Now, I know that this is not a very popular shape. I love these. I love them, especially for contour or even like blush. They're fantastic. As a matter of fact, I brought out one that I did buy a few years. I've had this for a while, actually, at least 3 years. But I love this because I use this even for like highlighter, sometimes even blush if I want to do something like super, super like wispy and soft. And this is like the mini. This is like the little bro, and this is the big kahuna. So I think this one is going to be really good. Maybe even for bronzer. We'll see. I'll try it. And this is going to make an appearance, of course, in upcoming tutorials. All of these things will. And so, yeah, so I'm very, very happy with this. The other brushes that I have received from Beautylish before in the past, like I said, I've had several, mostly have been eye brushes, which I have like a whole bunch of them. Sonia G, and I think I got a couple of Wayne Goss brushes, which are fantastic. So they're all made in Japan, high quality, top tier brushes. So yes, so there's that one. And then I got, oh, so this actually is from Mob Beauty. And when I saw this, I got excited because I am addicted to lip balm, and I saw other people, they received the clear lip balm. I received a shade. So this is a lip balm shine, I think they call it, and it's in the shade M25, and I looked it up online, and it is Honey Rose, which I'm not mad at all. Really, really pretty. And of course, I did try it on already because, you know, I can't help myself. Let me see. This is, well, I'm going to wait to do this because I gotta show you what this is first. But one thing that I really like about this is the refill. So this is the capsule. So they gave like the whole set. So this is nice. So once you're done with this, sustainable packaging, really cool, really sleek. And I think I will pick up the clear balm because it's supposed to have like a shimmer. I mean, you're probably very, very similar. Many people are addicted to their lip balms these days. So I definitely want to get the clear one, but I was happy to have this. And let's see what else. Ooh, okay. Then Viseart is one of my absolute favorite eyeshadows. And I have a couple of the Petite Four. These are $25. This here is $27 because $22 is for the refill lip balm and $5 for the capsule. So I just added both up, of course. So that was value, $27. And then these guys are $25. Now these are luxury eyeshadows, and I have, my favorite is, I have a full palette Viseart, which is the neutral mattes. Amazing quality eyeshadows. Now this is the Tyrian Petit Four. I think I'm saying it right. But look how pretty. And these colors, I don't know, I might wear it full on, but I love to wear these a lot as eyeliners or as an eyeliner topper. So I'll put on an eyeliner and then I'll put this like with an eyeliner brush like over, you know, like either a pencil liner or a cream liner, and it works really, really well because you get the pop of color. So I'm definitely going to be using it like that. Now, my absolute favorite thing in the box, which I was really hoping for, and I saw some people get it, and some people got the Natasha, you know, I gotta say, with these Beautylish Lucky Bags, I always got the $75 one. A couple of times I have received a full Natasha Denona palette, which are anywhere from like $85 to $120. I think a couple of times I received like a $120 one. I mean, in a $75 bag. So one or two times I received the value of like over $300. I think one time was even like $400, like with everything like put together. So I was, that must have been like an extremely lucky bag. What do they call it? Super lucky bag, I think. So yeah, but this actually is the one I really wanted for this year because I saw people getting it, and it's the Danessa Myricks. And this one is the Blooming Romance palette, and I am obsessed with it. I didn't get the original Groundwork palette. The original one is all like neutrals, like contours, you know, that you're supposed to be able to contour all over your face, eyes, everything. And this is the Blooming Romance, and it just has like the paper up here. And of course, like you got your mirror. And I like that you could fold it over completely and it doesn't like crack the spine. So it's very, very handy, probably very makeup artist friendly, which I love. Not that I'm doing makeup artist stuff, but even on yourself, you know? And it smells amazing. It smells like berries. Oh, this is so interesting. So this has a pomade. They call it a velvet. She calls it a velvet pomade. That's the bigger pans, and the smaller pans are shadow. And you could wear this anywhere on your face. You could wear this on your eyes, on your lips, which is what I'm wearing right now. It is this shade right here is what I tapped on my lips. And it has an ingredient called Upsolite, which is very smoothing to the skin. So it's amazing for mature skin. My skin is maturing, obviously. So this is incredible. Even like on my eyes, it's evening now. And I put this on earlier today and it's still on. I mean, pretty good. pretty good, like after a work day. And my eyeliner is this right here, because you can see it's kind of, she calls it a velvet pomade, but I used an eyeliner brush. It's kind of like a putty, but it goes on so smooth, and you could pick it up with a brush. And I used just a synthetic bristle brush, and it picked it right up. And I used, what did I use? I think I used this one as contour today, and then I kind of like mixed it up. I used this as, you know, it's like a peachy blush, and then I ended up topping it with this. It's kind of like a rose color hue. I don't know if you could tell like in this lighting, but just amazing. I'm going to be using the hell out of this thing. So one thing that I've noticed, and I have to investigate to see, because these pans pop out. I am really hoping that there's refills, because that is going to come, like really come in handy, because for traveling, I may not want to take all of these things. Now, on my channel, you'll see, for anybody that's new here, if you peruse my other videos, I do have a lot of Saint makeup videos, because I am a Saint artist and I love this stuff. Cream makeup. It's a 3D cream makeup system. And then there's also Demi for minimal makeup. If you're interested, check out my other videos. But these are magnetic palettes that you pop out, and you can put whatever in here. And I think it would be grand if, for travel, I would be able to pop out what I need, and I wouldn't have to bring the whole thing with me, depending on, you know, what my preference is for whatever given moment. I'm super excited about that. I am hoping that there's refills for this, because then you could just refill the colors that you need, because I could see myself going through this pretty soon at some point, because as eyeliner, I absolutely love, love, love it. I love everything about this whole thing. And I have her Yummy Skin, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin primer. Is it called the primer? It's the face product, and it's all the way on the other side of the room. I don't want to necessarily go get it, but I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. It's clear, and you're supposed to wear it. You could wear it either by itself or under makeup, and sometimes I use it under makeup, especially under my under eyes. Amazing. I mean, the lady is a genius, and everything that I get from her, I absolutely love. So I am so excited that I got it when I saw it in here, because I tore open everything. I looked at the bag and I looked and I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. So when I saw this hot pink, this iridescent, I was like, it's got to be that. It's got to be that. I think it is. I think it is. And then when I pulled it out, of course, I was like, yes. So very, very happy. And you're going to be seeing this pop up many times on my videos throughout the year, because I like to do like mix and match like my makeup and stuff. And I've already been doing this for a couple of days. And this is, as a matter of fact, like my base that I'm wearing is my Saint makeup, which is right here. These are my highlight shades, which is the foundation. And then, you know, some Demi, I did that underneath. And then I supplemented with the Danessa Myricks. Now for the Mob Beauty, because I was thinking, I just put it on like as a balm and see if any color shows up, because it's very, very similar to what I'm wearing. I hope the lighting is not weird. Yeah, see, it's got a little bit more of an orangey tint, but I'm not mad at that. It feels amazing. Yeah, very nice. It smells so good. So I'm very, very happy with my box. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Very glad to have you here. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I answer all the questions in the comments. And if you have a desire to try Saint makeup, I also have my link tree. Everything is in the description box, how to get in contact with me. If you have any questions about your skin, my email is there. You'll be able to find my color match form, all the things. Also, for my Beautylish friends that come across my video, let me know how you liked your box, what you think about my box, what your favorite item was in your box. And if you have a video up, let me know, because I would love to watch it. All right. I will see you guys soon. I'm going to be coming back with tutorials. Finally, I'm going to start filming again. So I'll see you guys soon.